Hi, I'm going to show you how to use sumdog so that your child can practice their math skills at home, either using an iPad, a PC or a MacBook. First of all, if you are using an iPad, you will need to go to the App Store and download the sumdog app. Sumdog will not work in your web browser on an iPad because it requires Flash Player. If you're on a PC or a Mac, first of all, you need to open your web browser and type in www.sumdog.com, and that will bring you to this homepage. If you're on an iPad, just open the app and you will also see this screen. So first of all, find the login box and click login. Now you need to enter your child's login details, which are on a card stuck into your child's reading diary. Everybody has a username which is generally the initials of their name, usually 2 letters but sometimes 3 letters. Mine is a little different, however. Their password consists of a word followed by a number, and we are teaching the children the importance of not sharing their password with others. Finally, the school code is the same for everybody, BIS Phuket. Please note that all the details are in lowercase, not capital letters. When you've entered the information, go to the bottom and click Login. When you've logged in, the child's name should appear near the top, and you will see their character and an animal. The animal can be changed the more points they score using sumdog. On the left-hand side is the dashboard. The maths is starred because the subscription we have is only for math skills. The next box says challenge. If you click on that, there are other things they can do, but it is best to keep it on challenge because we have set the skills needed in each challenge. If you click on any of the others, the task may be just too difficult, but they can try them if they wish. The progress shows how much they have scored against the challenge. Each challenge we set will be over a week, and they can try and score up to 250 points each week. I'll just close that. They shouldn't click on the games as that can't change. An important button is this one, Play World. Children can choose to either play against players around the world, or they can click on Class, which means if any children in their class are also logged into sumdog at the same time, they can play against each other. Or they can choose to simply play against the computer. I'm going to leave it on World at the moment and just play against other children around the world. I will explain more about the house later, but first I'll show you how to play the games. So you can scroll through. On an iPad, you just flick across the screen to play different games. The games in the iPad app are slightly different to the ones on a Mac or a computer. Some of them are the same. I think I'll play soccer, so you just click on the screen and wait patiently for it to load. So I'm playing against these players from around the world. I'll just turn the volume down as it can get annoying. And my questions are appearing at the bottom, so I simply have to read the question, 2 plus 2, and find the answer and shoot at the goal. I'm going to just keep answering these questions. It doesn't matter if they get an answer wrong, it will tell them and show them the right answer. So 3 more than 1, I'm going to try that. So again, it doesn't really matter if they get the answer wrong, it will show them, and later at the end of the game they can see which one they got wrong. Often you get a bonus play, which means you can just have a free go. So I'm just going to keep playing. You can see the timer at the top, which shows how long you have left. And at the end of the game, it will rank the children against each other, so it is a bit of a competition. Pressure's on now. If at any time you want to stop the game, if you've had enough, you can just go to this arrow at the top and click on the cross. I'll keep going because I've only got a few seconds left. Oh dear. And that's the end of the game. Again, you just need to wait while it shows the rankings, and there we go. I came second, it appears, against people around the world. When you finish, just click the next button and it will show me my mistakes and give me the right answer. So I can go back and actually think about those in more detail. Next, just press play at the bottom and it takes me back to my home page where I can choose another game to play. You could click on the animal at any time and give it some food just for a bit of fun, or make him dance around. Again, just a bit of fun. I can click on my progress. I've now got 72 out of the 250 questions. And just keep playing, have fun. It's not too difficult. Now I'll explain what this house button is at the bottom. So if you click on the house, the children enjoy being rewarded for their time and effort, and they receive coins for the points they score. I've now got 205 coins to spend in the store. I can buy clothes for my character, or I can buy things and decorate my house, which you see here. I can also change my character, which as you can see looks nothing like me. So by clicking on the face, I can change the details of the character's face. Obviously I'm not a man. And you can just, the children enjoy customizing the face more to their liking. So you just click through the different options available. And in the store they can buy additional clothes. I'll just change my eye colour. They can buy jewellery, but they should be aware that they will be spending their coins when they do this. So yeah, it still doesn't really look like me. You just keep changing around. You can change their hair. To a style that looks more like your child's, or a completely different style if they prefer. So I'm going to go into the house now. I could choose some clothes and change my character's clothes. I'm quite happy with what they're wearing. Or I could decorate my house. So if I click on decorate, I can change the furniture if I wish to. By going to the store, I've got, as you can see, it says no items because I haven't bought any items yet. So if I go to the store, I can choose some things. I don't want to buy clothes, so I'll change that to my house. And this is set on the floor, but I can change it to add some furniture, which I would like to do. So the prices are here. I've only got 205 coins. So I can afford a table, and if you just go to the right and click on buy, you can. If children want to change their furniture, they can always sell it back. It's great for learning about money. So I've bought this item now, I believe. And if I go back to my house, hopefully I can put that in my house. So if I click on decorate, furniture, and there's my table up there. If I click on it, down it comes, and I can move it around if I wish to do so. So children do explore, do enjoy creating and exploring the house and the store. This setting can only be used after school and at weekends. During the school day, the setting is switched off, so children don't spend time playing around with their house and their clothing. Instead, they spend their time learning their math skills. So if I want to go back, I'll just click on the sumdog at the top and it will take me back to the home page. Here we are, ready to play a new game. Finally, we are teaching the children the importance of logging out. And we are telling the children that logging out is like closing a door. They wouldn't leave their house, leaving their door wide open, and they shouldn't leave their computer or their iPad, leaving sumdog open. So simply click on log out. And there we go. So I hope you have fun using sumdog at home. It is a great app. Children don't realise they're actually learning. They feel like they're playing games and having fun. Please let us know if you have any problems and we'll be happy to help you. So have fun with sumdog.